Hey everybody, welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Abbey Road cocktail. Now this is a delightful little drink I found on the web. I don't know who made it up, but it's a perfect match to Abbey Road by the Beatles. It's got gin, ginger, apple juice, mint, lemon, all mixed together, tons of flavor. Let's begin. So we're gonna start by grabbing our mixing tin and adding about 6 mint leaves, followed by half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And I'll be using a 1/4 ounce of a ginger concentrate. Now the original recipe called for a chunk of candied ginger. You could also use a piece of fresh peeled ginger with a little bit of simple syrup. Next we're gonna muddle the juices and mint. Now we add 3/4 of an ounce of apple juice for apple records, of course. And then we add 1.5 ounces of gin, which is very English. I think you guys are catching a theme here. And now we add some ice to our tin, and now we shake. Okay, check the hair. Now we're gonna grab our rocks glass and fill it with some ice. Okay, now we're gonna strain the contents of our tin into our glass. Okay, lastly, we're gonna garnish with a slice of lemon. And there you have the Abbey Road. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, it's a good cocktail. It's very refreshing. You feel the ginger, the lemon, the mint really just kind of seals it all together. And the gin, the gin is beautiful. All right, guys, well, that'll do it for this time around. I want to thank you so much for watching. Check out the Abbey Road episode if you haven't already, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.